guiding light, leaving all the noise behind tonight. A quiet doorway, candles flame, calling her by her secret name. Her heart was tired, her spirit worn, from chasing things that left her torn. So she turned towards something true, a place where she could be renewed. She enters softly, letting her old life fall, answering a deeper inner call, choosing silence over worldly cries, seeking peace no crowd could ever provide. The walls are simple, calm and warm, safe from every passing storm. Here she breathes and feels the grace of stepping into sacred space.